In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create landing pages in Getresponse. Once you are logged into your Getresponse account, start by looking at the top navigation bar. Find Tools, then click it. A menu will open, and from that list you will select Landing Pages. This takes you to the area where you can manage any landing pages you already have and where you can create a new one. Next, click the Create Landing Page button. This begins the setup process and brings you to the options for how you want to build your page. At this point, you will choose your builder. If you want the simplest path, select Use a ready-made template. This option gives you professionally designed layouts that you can customize quickly. You can also choose Use AI Builder if you prefer a more guided approach that helps generate a page style for you. Either way, you will still end up editing the page before publishing. After choosing the template option, you will browse the available designs. Take your time here and look for a layout that matches your goal, such as collecting email signups, promoting a product, or registering people for an event. When you find a design you like, hover over it and click Use Template to open it in the editor. Now you will customize the page using the drag and drop editor. Click on any text to change the wording, replace images with your own, and adjust buttons so the call to action is clear. You can drag elements to reorder sections and make the page flow better. Keep your headline specific, keep paragraphs short, and make sure the main action you want visitors to take is easy to spot. When you are happy with how everything looks, click Continue. Finally, you will configure the publishing details. Set your URL or domain so your landing page has the web address you want. Then select the contact list where new subscribers should be added, which is important for keeping your leads organized and making follow-up emails easier later. When everything is set, click Publish to make your landing page live. That covers everything you need to know.